In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add right-click in Bluestacks. Right-click in Bluestacks can be incredibly handy for things like aiming, opening in-game menus, or interacting with buttons that would normally require a tap on a phone screen. The goal here is to make your right mouse button trigger a precise tap wherever you need it inside a game. Start by opening the game you want to configure, then bring up the Keymapping editor. You can do this by clicking the keyboard icon, also labeled Game Controls, on the right sidebar. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. This opens the advanced editor where you can see and customize all your control overlays. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Interfaces can vary slightly between BlueStacks versions, but the process is the same. Next, add a tap spot. In the editor, select tap spot and drag it onto the exact on-screen button you want your right click to trigger. This could be an aim down sights icon, an interact button, or any spot you'd normally tap with your finger. Zooming the game view a bit can help with precise placement. The tap spot represents a virtual tap, so its position matters. Make sure it sits right on top of the icon you plan to activate. Now assign the right mouse button to that tap spot. Click the key field attached to the tap spot, then press your right mouse button. You should see it register as RMB or a similar label. This tells BlueStacks that whenever you right-click, it should send a tap exactly where you place that spot. Think of it as converting your mouse click into a touchscreen tap, but only at that location. When you're satisfied with the placement and the binding, save your controls. Click Save in the editor to lock in the changes. If your version of BlueStacks lets you name or select a profile, consider saving it as a per-game layout so it won't affect other titles. Close the editor to return to your game. Time to test. In the game, hover your cursor over the button you targeted and right-click. You should see the action trigger just like a normal tap. If it doesn't respond, reopen the editor to nudge the tap spot into a more accurate position, confirm the key shows as the right mouse button, and save again. Also make sure game controls are toggled on in the overlay and that the game window is in focus. That's it. You've mapped right-click to a tap in BlueStacks, giving you faster, more natural control exactly where you need it.